recently we had a fruitful trip to London under the leadership of Honorable Chief Minister, and we had ended MOU with 4 universities, including Stanford, MIT. That's a very good experience, and we met the Nobel laureate who won the Nobel Prize in 2010 for this graphene introduction. It's a very rich experience for us. Now you have produced the graphene itself here. I think this is the first in the state, and this application I think first in the country also. Congratulations, Kumi, for making this wonderful result of manufacturing, producing this graphene, the wonderful material of the world.
Well, thank you very much, sir. It's certainly a great honor and privilege to have you, Minister Rajiv, together with your team, Secretary Amish, and members of the SEZ, and all of you. I mean, without your encouragement as the government of Kerala, I do not think we would have taken such bold steps, because graphene, as you know, is a very unique material. It is not new to the world, but certainly it has extensive applications. But we need passion, patience, and perseverance in order to make graphene and to apply graphene in many areas, as my colleagues would have shown you. And I must say, apart from your encouragement, I have the privilege of working with an outstanding set of colleagues, both in the company as also in the facility here, who are very passionate about what they do. So we are encouraged and excited by your visit, and thank you very much for coming.
Thank you. Actually, the government of Kerala is also would like to express our gratitude to Kumi for taking this decision for locating Kerala as a place for producing this graphene, the wonderful material of the world. And you have branded it, that is Grapheno,
Yes.
the new brand to the world. And I am informed that you have exported this Grapheno to different countries of the world. It's a very good experience to the state, and also I think this industry has a very good future to the state of Kerala, not only state of Kerala, to the world. Then what are your further steps to improve these activities?
Sir, you will be interested to know that 2023 is our 60th year in Kerala.
Oh, great.
60 years
60
in
years.
Kerala.
Actually, you are coming from Tamil Nadu.
Yes, our parent location is Tamil Nadu, but I cannot consider Kerala also a non-parent. It's also equally important. And what we have done in Kerala, we have 9 manufacturing units in Kerala. 9. And they are spread out in different parts of Kerala. In the SEZ here itself, we have 2 units. We have a fine powder unit as well as the graphene unit. And in Edapalli, in Koratti, and we have a power plant in Maniyar near Pathanamthitta. I must say that over the years, we have developed as a strong materials-oriented company. So we make aluminum oxides, zirconia alumina in Edapalli. We make silicon carbide in Koratti. We make graphenes here. We have silicon carbide fine powders over here in Kakanad. So the whole company is developing in Kerala in terms of different characteristics of materials. And what our MD Anant, who's sitting here, and Shiv, who runs our Kerala operation, they have developed what is called an innovation pyramid. So when we started off, we started with base material. And as we gained confidence, we are moving up the innovation pyramid. And this is what keeps us and our team very excited about what we do. We invest a substantial amount of money in R&D. Across the company, we have 7 DSIR, Department of Scientific and Industrial Research,
7 departments.
7 units recognized by them, including in Kerala. And therefore, our team works on technology. Our technology initial stages may have come from overseas, but of late, or the last, I would say, 30, 40 years, as well as the graphene facility here, is all homegrown technology.
Oh,
It's indigenous
but you have
technology.
entered an MOU with Stanford University?
We have entered into MOUs with various institutions worldwide. But the
not
fund-
only Stanford, different
we have with
institutions.
the Manchester University.
Oh.
And but the technology as such is very much homegrown and developed. And normally in science, we have to cooperate. We have to cooperate with basic research, we have to cooperate with applications, and we have to make a process efficient, as you have seen here. So we must work in partnerships with various universities, and also we work in partnerships with Indian universities,
Okay.
including CUSAT and
Oh,
DUK, etc. So we work in partnerships across.
You have a connect with the Cochin University of Science and
We do.
Technology.
We do have a connect with them. And not only for this product, but on a variety of products. Some of our colleagues are from CUSAT. We do get interns from the university. And it's very close to our Edapalli plant.
Yes, yes,
so
that's true.
it's nice to have such a university in this area.
Now, Kumi is a multinational company now. You are present in different countries of the world. How many countries you are present now?
Yes, sir. We are present, I would say, in about 12 countries, but manufacturing operations are in Australia, Thailand, India, of course, the largest, in Russia, Germany, South Africa. Of course, sales offices are there across the world. And so 50% of carborundum or Kumi is in India and 50% is worldwide.
Okay. You have mentioned that this is 60th year of your presence in state of Kerala.
Yes.
And you have very rich experience in different parts of the world, different parts of the country. Normally, there is a public manufactured opinion that is Kerala is not suitable for investment. Tamil Nadu is very good. Kerala is very bad. That is a propaganda created by some people. Actually, there Tamil Nadu is also doing very well. We are also trying to do our best. What is your personal experience of during these 60 years? What is your opinion? What is the industrial climate here, the approach of the government, and also the trade unions? In all your units, as per my understanding, trade unions are working.
Yes,
they are
of course.
jointly working with you.
Of course.
And what is your personal experience?
So, if you ask me overall, the personal experience has been very good. I'm not just saying it because you're Minister Rajiv now. We know that we have worked very closely with you. I think the most important thing for us is human relations. We have
That is one brand of Kumi or Murugappa Group.
We
You
are
always
known for
give
it.
values.
Yeah, our values, we don't compromise on our values, sir. We don't compromise on our values. I mean, our values of integrity, of passion, of aspiring to make high quality, ensuring that we are respected, and also in terms of societal responsibility. And we do all of this in Kerala, as you well know. And I think the most important thing as part of human relations is that we are very transparent. We are not transactional. And for us, every individual in the company is very important. And we need to respect their skill. It's very difficult for me to run a machine in the plant. It's very difficult for a plant operator to negotiate with a partner or a banker. It takes both.
Yes.
So, transparency is extremely important. And I would say, and with all my colleagues here, they also have equal long experience in Kerala. Many of them started their careers here. And this has helped us right through. Of course, we've had differences of view. But in any business, sir, or in any, there must be healthy tension.
Yes.
As long as the objectives are clear.
It is almost similar in all parts of the world and all parts of the country.
We have tended to keep this policy across the country and across the world. People are extremely important to us. Their well-being is extremely important.
But is
to
a
us.
response from the workers? It is same in.
I think it is also reciprocated.
Yeah, that is true.
It is reciprocated. There may be differing ideologies, but at the end of the day, we are all human beings. As long as we respect each other, sir, I don't see. But I must also tell you one thing. I'm not saying it because you're Minister Rajiv. As a government, you are very accessible. If at all, I would like something for you to do much more than accessibility, apart from the encouragement. Also, today's world, we have to be competitive, sir. So I would like government to engage with us as to how to improve our competitiveness.
Yes, yes.
How to improve our competitiveness through policy. And this policy, sir, should be there for everybody, not just for CUMI.
Yes, it should be general to
Yes,
all, applicable to all. And so the industries department is also thinking that industrialists are also integral part of the government. They are working together to attract more investment, to create more employment opportunities. Only by this way we can strengthen our own economy, improving the GDP of state. That is our approach. Actually, you have created another history by establishing the first private hydel park of the state, and you are running this private Maniyar. You have
Yes.
a hydel power project.
Absolutely. Yes.
That is 30 years back. Or?
30 years, almost 30 years,
Almost.
29. Because power is a very important input to us in all our plants. In fact, it's almost a raw material for us. And Kerala has been very good to give us the opportunity to generate power. And we've also generated power and complied with all the requirements, whether it be wheeling charges or cess, what is there, irrigation cesses, etc. It's been good. We want to continue. We want to continue. In fact, we need more power. We need more power. And as if we have more power, I can tell you, I'm more than happy to invest even further in Kerala.
Okay. Actually, only because of you, the state of Kerala has created a new history by producing this graphene, wonderful material. That is a feather to the state of Kerala. And what is your future plans to invest more here, particularly in this project and some other projects?
Sure. So as you would have seen, my colleagues would have explained to you the various applications of graphene. Now, we cannot straddle all applications. So we are working in three fronts. One is working on the research itself, because as Dr. Japin would have told you, we are working on the research, the fundamental research, and that is where we work with the universities and other institutions. The next step, some of my colleagues you would have seen here, and they've even designed some of the equipment. We work on the process. That process has to be absolutely foolproof. But the most important is to work on applications. Many people do not know what graphenes can do. In fact, sometimes graphene surprises us also.
True.
So it surprises us. So we have to work on applications. So the next step that we will do here, we will establish progressively application laboratories where we will showcase to potential customers how they can improve their products using our graphene.
Utilizing this.
By utilizing graphene. We will, of course, give them samples. But we cannot do all applications. We'll have to select. That's where we will start, and I understand from my colleagues that Kerala has also a big thrust and push on graphene as such. And when you set up these large laboratories and application laboratories, which industries individually may not be able to afford, but industries collectively can use, then what happens, sir, is that we generate greater interest and potentially new products and also greater employment.
Okay, the government is also trying to
Yes.
strengthen this. We have constituted several mechanisms to increase the production of graphene. But you have created the history by producing graphene earlier and our that projects. Then what do you expect from the government to strengthening this relationship more fruitful and to attract more investment, to create this atmosphere more industrial friendly? What do you expect from the government further?
So, what I would say from the government is, I think this is a good step that you've come here and you've seen for yourself what we are doing. You've also seen what are the potential applications of this. So, what I would expect from the government is continued interest first.
Okay.
One is interest. And I would encourage many of your colleagues from the government, both from the polity and the executive, to come and see what we do. We are happy to show them and we are happy to show people from industry. We want interest and awareness.
Very interesting experience.
Yeah,
in all
very
these
interest and awareness, sir, first. Secondly, we are happy to work with the government, with universities in Kerala, jointly with them to establish both material characterization centers as also application centers. Now, we have to be selective. We can't do everything. We have to be selective. And therefore, we are happy to work along with them and in order to establish these centers. Simultaneously, the universities also should offer courses in this area. And we'll be more than happy for our team to come and participate in the teaching, as also participate in the project work. And who knows, some more PhDs may come from the universities in Kerala jointly with us.
Actually, the government of Kerala is the first government in the country which have ended an MOU with the foreign universities
Yes.
for this graphene production. We have ended MOU with the 4 universities, and we have created a mechanism of Tata is with us now, Kumi is here, and our department is also working with that. We have established a center at Kinfra Park, Kalamassery, for graphene, facilitating graphene production activities and other research activities. And also our digital university is focusing on this, and now you have mentioned that KUSAT also working with you. Then the government should try to strengthen this relationship
Absolutely.
with the government and the industries and also the research institute. I hope you can invest more in the state of Kerala and you can contribute more to the state economy. I would like to express our gratitude once again for your contribution to the industrial sector of state of Kerala. Thank you, Mr. Mudit.
Thank you, sir. We greatly are honored today by your visit and that of your colleagues as well. And we look forward to even greater interactions and, of course, the encouragement to keep us both excited and enthused.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.